Welcome home to 738 Walden Circle, Walden Palms Condominium. Enjoy a large patio overlooking the lake and the pool. Washer dryer hookups in unit. You just bring your own washer dryer. And we'd consider installing one for you for a small monthly charge. Upgraded unit, granite countertops, laminate floors. Open floor plan to the living room. Double master. You are on the 3rd floor, so no upstairs neighbor. All upgraded. Walk-in closet. And second master. Won't last long.